Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel. It is the 2nd of January, and so I get to share with you the new sheetload of cards designed by Call Me Crafty Owl here on YouTube, and this is for January 2001. She shared her video debuting the sheetload sketch yesterday, and today I get to share with you the cards I made using her newest sketch. So if you are new to the sheetload process, Call Me Crafty Owl provides you with a sketch, a supply list, as well as a cut list that you can print out, and there's usually a specific number of cards that it makes. This month happens to be 9, and then she also gives you dimensions if you want to make a single card as well. So these are the cards I made this month. I just pulled 3 winter papers that kind of coordinated from my stash and use them together. And her sketch this month, it calls for the pattern, like 3 different pattern papers, as well as cardstock to mat each of the layers, and then they kind of overlap, and then a sentiment. So I would say the only thing I did different was I wanted this paper to be my main focal point for most of the cards. So I wanted this to be kind of forefront, and it truly is on most of them. I think I was able to get 7 panels out of that, like with that pattern paper as the front layer kind of going across. And then with the other 2 patterns, I just kind of I followed her cutting guide as much as possible, and then used what I had left to kind of fill in for what I did not cut out of the other pieces that I didn't cut out of the snowman. So, and then the other thing is I moved this panel that goes up and down depending on where the best snowman was on my paper. So most of the time my panel is over here on the left because the most noticeable snowman, I guess you would say, would be on the right, and I didn't want to cover him up. It was really whatever snowman that had a head. It's kind of the one I tried to make sure I didn't cover up completely. So most of the time it's over here on the left, but on these cards, since I did not use the snowman panel, I was able to put that vertical panel over here on the right. And then the only other thing I would like to note is that because there are several layers here, when I did this vertical panel, I did use some scrap cardstock to go underneath the top and the bottom to help this panel kind of lay flush on the card. So depending on how thick your layers were, you could use foam tape. My paper was pretty thin, and it was just like 65-pound cardstock, so it wasn't, it's not super thick. So I could just use some layers of cardstock underneath that panel to help level it out. But those are my 9 cards for this month, and the rest of the collaborators will be in the description box below, so you can go check out their cards and how they used the new sheetload of cards sketch from January of 2021. And I hope everyone had a great New Year's, found some way to celebrate and ring in the new year, and I wish everyone a happy new year. Hopefully 2021 is good to you, and thank you so much for your time today. I hope you all have a crafty day.